Are your retirement plan contributions getting taxed by railroad retirement? Watch this video. Welcome everyone to another edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Whiteboard. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and today we're going to talk about retirement plan contributions and the taxation surrounding them, right? Always big into taxes. You got to know where you're getting banged on the taxes. So let's talk about this, right? Railroaders have those great annuities, but you throw that 401k on top of that, it's a great retirement. From a good retirement to a great retirement if you've been building up that 401k. But let's learn about the taxes on that. All right, so what taxes are we talking about? We're talking about railroad retirement, which is the Tier 1 and Tier 2 tax, okay, and the Medicare tax, and then also the federal income tax on top of that. And you could even actually have another category if you have a state tax, depending upon the states that you're living in, all right? So the first one here is the elective salary deferred pre-tax. So that's like the 401k, all right? So you got to pay the tax on that, right? On the railroad retirement, Medicare, and the Medicare tax. So that's 6.2% on the Tier 1, 1.45 on Medicare, and Tier 2 is 4.9% tax on that. Okay, no federal income tax on that. Very important, right? You're deferring that tax. So the strategy behind that is I'm going to defer my income at a higher, defer the tax at a higher tax bracket, and then retirement, I'll pay the tax at a lower bracket. So there's no tax on that. The next one up is the Roth, right? That after-tax contribution. So obviously you make the tax, you pay the railroad retirement tax, the Medicare tax, and the federal income tax. But that's it. No more taxes on that on that account ever again. All right, that's the Roth. You just pay it off once, and there you go. And then the next one here is, let's say the employer matches a 401k, so employer matching. So they're not going to pay any railroad retirement or Medicare tax on their contribution, and they'll pay no federal income tax on that either. So they're just matching it, and that's what they do. So that's it. That's basically all I have on these taxes. I hope you found this helpful. Once again, it's all about taxes, okay? Especially in retirement, very important. If you're at or near railroad retirement and you want to go through some of your tax situations, sign up for my boarding for railroad retirement process. Really, really valuable stuff. All right. Click on the subscribe for this channel. Channel's growing great. Click on the notification bell to get the latest video. And until next time, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.